Hey y'all, I'm Alicia if you're new here, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are not new. I am so excited about today's video because I'm going to be making my 2025 vision board. I am so excited for this new year. I haven't been this excited about a new year in probably maybe 2 to 3 years, and that's probably how long it's been since I've made a vision board, which is crazy because I'm a very visual person. So I'm going to make it and I'm going to hang it up over by my desk. That way I see it every day, and when I kind of start getting unmotivated, not motivated, I can look at it and see what I'm working towards. I have some big goals for this year, and I have said it too many times to count, but it's going to be different this year. I'm going to make 2025 my year. So I can't wait to share some of my goals with y'all. And yeah, let's just get into it. I did write down some ideas, but whenever I was poster board shopping, I didn't really have anything printed, and I just printed everything out on the computer. But the few vision boards that I've seen other people make, they printed out pictures like from Walgreens or Walmart, and after I got to thinking about it, I probably should have done that because I'll just print it at home. Yeah, that's wasting a bunch of ink, and I actually had to buy more ink to print out my stuff, and I still don't even know if I have enough. So I'm kind of glad that I bought several different sizes. So let me just show you what I bought. So we have two of the original white poster boards. So we were actually Christmas shopping when I got these, and my husband told me to get two in case I mess up, and I was like, I hope I don't mess up because that means I'm going to have to reprint. So we got these, but then I wasn't sure what all I was going to put on it. So I was like, I wonder if I just need like these small ones. And this actually comes in a 12 count. I don't know. I really want it on this because it's like that foam board. So it's hard and it won't be flimsy when I hang it up. I'm going to do that. And then if I need to add like... Look, I already scratched it. Okay, good. But if I need to add more to fill it up more, then I can always do like more quotes and stuff. So I talked about her during Vlogmas, but Lauren Norris, I actually got a few quotes from her vision board and a really good idea from her vision board that I am going to share with y'all if I can get this poster board open. I'm just going to go ahead and get one of these out so I can see. So yeah, I might actually need this. And in reality, I don't really have a lot of wall space. So this might actually be a better size that I can hang up, because as much as I want to fill this up, I don't think I can. So I don't know, we shall see, but let's cut some things out. I would love to say I made a inspiring, motivating playlist, but I did not. But lately I have been listening to my Vampire Diaries soundtrack that I just made myself. So that is actually what I'm going to turn on. And yes, in 2025, I am still going to be obsessed with the Vampire Diaries. So let's get to cutting out. is the final product. Honestly, I'm not crazy about it, so I might take some things off, add some things, but for now I'm going to leave it. But here she is. So now I'm going to go over everything and kind of explain it and let y'all know what some of my goals and dreams for 2025 are. Okay, here is the finished product. I am not that happy with it, but it's going to work for now. I just don't like this, so I might redo that. And I feel like I need to add something here. But I have my main things on it, so that's all that matters. But I do want to be happy with it because I feel like if I'm not happy with it, I'm just going to be looking at it and I won't be motivated. I'm just going to be like, I don't like how that looks. So I wanted to go over it really quick with y'all. And I wanted to do it this way. Actually, maybe I need to lay it flat because I don't know if it's going to focus good. Well, y'all saw it up close, so I'm just going to talk about everything really quick. Okay, so I have Margaritaville Beach Cottage Resort, PCB. I would absolutely love to work with them again this year because I had so much fun. In case you missed it, that was my first ever big collab back in November, and I just had such an amazing stay. Everybody there was so amazing, and yeah, I would just love to work with them again. And then I put this little Florida thing here because I would love to work with some other resorts and hotels in Florida because I love the beach. So any more time that I could spend there, I would absolutely love. And then I put my new pink computer and iPad here because I want to be more consistent with my blog because I didn't do very many blog posts, and my blog is something that I own and will be there forever and always. Like social media, you never know what's going to happen with it. So I want to be more consistent with my blog. And these two quotes are from Lauren's vision board, but this one especially, so I need to just go in order. Okay, so this one, it says, God put that dream in your heart for a reason. Absolutely love that. And then this one over here, you're not a failure just because you're not where you thought you'd be by now. That one I definitely wanted on here because with my YouTube, it will be 10 years since I started my channel this year in November, and I just feel like I should be way further along, have more subscribers, and same thing with my blog and content creating. I feel like I should be way further along than I am. So I put that as a reminder to just move forward and work as hard as I can to get to where I want to be. And then I have my Spartan trifecta. So I have two medals here, and I think that's what I don't like. I don't like them together, so I might print them out separate and maybe, oh yeah, that's what I need to do because I'm going to take that off and then put the ×2 there and then the weekend there. But anyways, the ×2, I want to do 2 trifectas this year, and 1 I want to do in a weekend. That goal is actually hopefully happening in March at the Georgia trifecta weekend. So that's what that medal says, weekend and then trifecta ×2. So that is if you complete 2 trifectas within the same calendar year. So for the second trifecta, I'm just going to do it randomly throughout the year. And then I have the Peloton New York studio. I actually took that picture whenever I was in New York, I think 2 years ago. And I would love to go back to New York this year, and I would love to do a live Peloton class, but they are super hard to get into. And then consistency. I want to be consistent in all my platforms, or on all my platforms, but especially YouTube. And then I had to put it, 2025 is going to be my year. And then I have this states up here because I would love to do 4 to 6 new states for my half marathon goal. I have two for sure that I want to do. One is Michigan, one is Maryland, and the Michigan one is really cool. I just found out about that one a few months ago, but you run in Michigan and in Canada, so I think that is really cool. So that is on my list this year. I only did one in 2024, and it was in January, and it was Charleston, and it was freezing, but I loved finally being able to go to Charleston. That race has been on my bucket list for several years, so I'm glad I got to do it. I also PR'd, so that was really cool, and I just loved being in Charleston. I kind of want to do that one again, and maybe it would be warmer, but I would love to go back to Charleston when it's warmer, when I can explore and spend more time there. And then LTKCon. So it's usually the top earners that get to go to LTKCon, but I'm really hoping that they kind of change it around and let like little people go, because that would be so amazing to go, because they have so many workshops and it just seems like such an amazing fun event, a great way to network and learn. So I put that there. And then this is another thing I was talking about that Lauren did on hers, is she screenshot her, I can't remember if I've already talked about this, but she screenshot her YouTube and her Instagram and photoshopped her goal following in there. So that is what I did. If it focuses, I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers this year on my YouTube channel. And then I put this little money thing because I would love to be more consistent with posting and getting a paycheck with Amazon, LTK, and with YouTube. And then I have this Amazon influencers down here because I want to also be more consistent with posting on my Amazon storefront, sharing it, and I would absolutely love to attend an Amazon influencer event. The last one was in New York, and that would be so amazing. And then I have a few Peloton milestones that I want to hit on my bike and my treadmill. I want to hit 1,000 rides on my bike. And then I just put this little Louis Vuitton dumbbell there because y'all know I love my Louis. And then I have a bunch of workout goals, so that's why I put that. And honestly, as like a little filler, but I think what I'm going to do is take that off and then print out 2 separate medals and put it there, and that'll fill in that space, and I think it will be a lot better. But I might see if I can find another word like consistency, just like a one word thing that I can put here, and then I think I'll be happy with it. But I am so excited for 2025, and I hope that this gave y'all some inspiration for your vision board. Let me know down below in the comments one of your goals or something that you are looking forward to this year. I would love to hear that. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can help me reach my goal for this year, and you don't want to miss all the fun videos that I have planned. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.